Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to connect your DREAME Robotic Remover A1 to your phone. So, go into DREAME Home app and just click Scan QR code. Now, when you open this lid by just pressing Stop button, here you have the QR code. Just scan it. Now, start network configuration. Click this button and hold for 3 seconds.
Entering Bluetooth pairing mode.
And go next. When you do it, wait for your robotic request and put in your robot PIN code and confirm. Now click Connect to Wi-Fi and put in your Wi-Fi password. After that, click Next and wait for it to connect. It may take some time, because when I tried to do it earlier, it took like a minute. But the robot is trying to connect. As you can see, it's loading. So I'll come back to you when the robot will connect. Okay, so I'm back and just click Finish. And as you can see, I have my robotic mower connected. Just close the lid. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.